How will you compare the martial law in the 1970s and to today? Malaking-malaki yung pagkakaiba. Ako, personally, I believe that kami sa Philippine National Police, there's nothing to fear pertaining to the issuance of declaration of martial law in Mindanao. Primarily, what is the objective? What is the goal? This is for the benefit of the people of Mindanao, particularly Marawi. Hindi po ito, kaya nga po mapansin nyo po yung mga guidelines to our forces is not to abuse the rights of the citizenry. It is to protect them from this terror group na walang pakundangang pumatay ng kapwa Pilipino, na naninira, nanununog ng kabahayan, sinisira yung kapayapaan ng bansa. So, again, our enemy here is the terror group, the Maote and the Abu Sayyaf group. As a nation, again, I will say again, let us look first at the interests of the country.
Sir, how do we address yung speculations that yung Marawi attack was orchestrated to justify the declaration of martial law in Mindanao? Since parang sinabi nila na si President Duterte has in his mind declaring martial law November pa lang. So parang paano natin i-address yung mga ganong speculations?
Wag mo tayong mag-isip ng masama. Mag-isip po tayo kung paano maaayos yung bansa. Alam mo, if we keep on dividing the people and by speculations and throwing all of this, they should come out and show proof. Ganun ho kasi kami. Kailangan ho, pag meron ho kaming, it is back up again. That's how we work. By tatayo yung sinasabi. Ito po, kung meron ho silang ganitong akusasyon, number one ho, makikiusap na ho kami, wag na ho tayo kalat pa ng mga ganitong akusasyon. Kung magbibigay ho kayo ng akusasyon, tayuan nyo ho. What would we get from such? Ano po?